In this video, we're going to review how to insulate your UV filtration system. First step is we're going to cut these two zip ties to release the UV canister. Okay, in the next step, I'm going to release this white tubing. So simply press this plastic piece up and pull the tubing out. Okay, press this plastic piece up and pull the tubing out. Okay, now the UV canister is free. We're going to take this piece of insulation and we're going to install it. Make sure to run it through the holes first. Okay, then you put this pointer on. Okay, and then you're going to seal it. With the Velcro on the back. Great. Now we're going to put it back in our clips. Okay, and now this part is done. Okay, now we're going to put this piece of insulation on. So I'm going to route it through the hole like this. And I'm going to feed it all the way up. And I'm going to tie this around the top plumbing with the Velcro. Okay, this is the result you want. Now I'm going to take this piece of insulation and I'm going to wrap it around here and insulate this part. Now I'm going to put this tubing back. Again, make sure that this plastic piece is up. Okay, hold it with one finger and then put this about an inch in. Okay, you'll feel it go in. Okay, for the next piece of insulation, I just noticed that I need to make a cut. So I'm going to cut about this much right in this piece, in this spot. Okay, so now it will be able to close for me. Okay, and then simply basically place it and tie your Velcro around each of the piping and all right, now we're going to take this piece of insulation, wrap it around here, and tie it, and then turn it. Okay. Now I'm going to take, again, you see this piece of plastic, make sure it points up, and then put this in. You can feel it jolting in. And then for the last piece of insulation, I'm going to take our sleeve for the filter bottle, put it on. So the only thing that we did not include is insulation for these white tubes. This is 1/2 inch. If you find any foam insulation that's 1/2 inch, you can wrap this around this white tubing or any foam insulation, and you will be all set.